This is a case study for a page called Lures and Laughs. They were really cleaning up using AI. So if we check out their photos, they're using AI images and captions, and they're doing really well, growing really fast. So they started off with the kind of fishing niche, but they've really branched out into what I call kind of boomer humor and the nostalgia captions. So what I've done is I've gone and scraped their last 1,000 posts, public posts, using Apify. And this just gives you a really kind of quick insight into what's working, because you've got the number of likes, shares, etc. So if we have a look, so this one has already got 11,000. This was only posted recently. So if we go and have a look at this one, it says kids need more creek time and less screen time. I mean, that's just your boomer relatable kind of post. And I've seen lots of sites doing these, and they're extremely effective kinds of posts. You're going to get loads of engagement. If they're on the content monetization, they're going to be making lots of money, and they're consistent. I mean, the numbers on these posts. I mean, look at this: 214,000 likes. Let's go and have a look. Yeah, it's an AI post with text. Now AI can do text. It opens up a whole new world. You can create these images with signs and that kind of thing. I mean, this has nothing to do with fishing. You know, it's the sort of thing that you can use Toby captions for. So over at Haiku Likes, there's a Toby caption generator. You can take those captions and you can put those into an AI image, which is effectively what this site's doing. You can see 215,000 engagements. So it says I'm on there, 147,000, 197,000. Let's have a look at this one. Yeah, I mean that's AI straight away. And it's boomer, it's relatable boomer stuff, nearly 200,000 engagements. So let's keep going through. There's loads of them with 6-figure likes. Let's look at this one. In my opinion, those who want to raise retirement age have never done a real job in their lives. I mean, that's just working class, relatable humour. Huge numbers on that one. Let's keep going through. You can see they're all big numbers on these. They're consistently doing big numbers, and that's going to mean they're going to be making a lot of money from content monetization. Maybe even tens of thousands a month. I wouldn't be surprised. Let's have a look here. I can't be the only one who turns down the music to see the siren in the song or right behind me. I mean, that's just there's a weird messed up AI image. People don't care. People don't care it's a bit messed up. Just go ahead and put it on there. And this sort of stuff, I mean, it's kind of a bit evergreen, really. I mean, you can use it across different pages. Humour works really well. There's one with 415,000 likes. Let's look at this. Do the right thing even when no one is looking. It's called integrity. I mean, you could feed that into ChatGPT. Maybe get 10 of these captions, feed them into ChatGPT, create 50 more, get onto Sora or Midjourney, create the images, 415,000, 184,000 shares. It is as simple as that. That's all you need to do. Okay, if you want to get traffic, create some related articles, put the link in the first comment. You're going to make money from the website, and you're going to make money from the content monetization. There's lots of sites like 50/50 Fishing. There's so many sites that are like this that use this kind of AI image, and they're extremely effective.